Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm gonna be showing you how to fix Safari cannot open the page because your iPhone is not connected to internet. If you want to search something on Safari and you are facing this type of error, firstly make sure that you have entered correct URL. If this isn't the case guys, then you have to close this page and open setting, and if you're using Wi-Fi, just simply tap on Wi-Fi and just simply forget the network from here and then try to rejoin it, and if possible try another one. And if you're using mobile data, just simply tap on mobile data and make sure that you have strong network connection. Okay guys, and then scroll it down from here and just simply make sure that if this toggle is turned on, just simply turn on this toggle, and after that check whether your palm has been fixed or not. And if once it is there guys, in open settings, then scroll it on, tap on Safari, then scroll it on from here and just simply look at for clear history and website data, then clear history and website data from here, and after that check whether your palm has been fixed or not. And once it is there guys, then open settings, scroll it on, tap on general, scroll it on, tap on date and time, and make sure that your date and time is correct. Okay guys, just simply make sure that if set automatically toggle is turned on, then go back from here, and after that hopefully your problem will be fixed. And once it is there guys, then open settings, then you have to tap on general, then scroll it down, tap on transfer reset, tap on reset network setting. So from here just simply you have to put your phone passcode, so this will delete all network setting, returning them to factory defaults. And after that guys, you have to update your device to the latest version. For that, open setting, and then you have to tap on general, then you have to locate for software update and make sure that you have updated your device to the latest version. And after that guys, you have to force restart your device, and after that hopefully your problem will be fixed. So that's it guys for today's video. If the video is helpful, please like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.